To make meat pies, start with the crust. Mix 1 1/4 cups, 156 grams of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1.4 grams of salt in a large mixing bowl. Then cut in 1/3 cup, 76 grams of butter or shortening using a food processor or pastry cutter. Slowly mix in 4 tablespoons, 59 milliliters of cold water, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters at a time until you have a soft, slightly lumpy dough. Form the dough into a ball with your hands. Then roll it out into a circle on a lightly floured surface. Next, put 2 cups, 452 grams of ground beef in a skillet with a 1/2 cup, 64 grams of chopped onions. Season the meat to taste with spices, such as dried sage or thyme, and add some crushed garlic if desired. Cook the mixture over medium heat until it's evenly browned. Then drain off and discard the grease. Next, pour in 1 1/4 cups, 296 milliliters of beef broth, 1 small chopped potato, and 1 1/2 cups, 210 grams of peas and chopped carrots. If the filling is too runny, thicken it with a mixture of 1 tablespoon, 7.5 grams of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters of cold water. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius, and transfer your crust to a pie tin. Trim away the edges of the crust so there's about a 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeters sticking out around the edges of the tin. Then, roll over the excess to make a thicker crust around the rim. Pour the filling into the crust, then roll out the excess dough and lay it on top of the pie. Pinch the edges of the top layer together with the bottom layer to seal the crust. Then, cut a few slices in the top of the pie to vent steam. Brush the top of the crust with egg or melted butter. Bake the pie for 45 minutes or until the crust is golden brown.